Okay, so I'm going to be color matching my front lip and rear lip. So this is the Mugen style. I don't mind everything black, but I am color matching everything else as well. So I like the lips to be color matched. So I already test fitted everything. Got this one already primed. Fitment's pretty good. It's not bad at all. I really like the Mugen front lip, that's why I went with that one. And the back, I went with the Type R style, as you can see. So fitment on the back one was pretty friggin' perfect, honestly. Like, it's can't get much better. So I gotta take that one back off, get it primed. I'm also doing the rear license plate trim here as well, because I'm doing everything else. So I'm color matching it all. Okay, so here is the lips all painted. So here's the Mugen front, Type R rear. So this is just single stage. I did 3 coats. Looks really good. Rear lip turned out really good. Front lip looks good, but I did have a little bit of an issue right there. The paint actually kind of reacted, so something must have been there. I wiped all this stuff down, you know, and rear lip was fine. Then the mirrors over there, they were fine, but the lip's fine except for this little area here. So unfortunately, once this dries, I'm gonna have to sand this lip down and just give it another coat, because I don't like that. But kind of pissed me off because it looks so good. Like, it's, you know, there's like next to no orange peel, and it's nice and shiny, and but shit happens, right? I mean, I am painting it in a wood shelter as well, so you know there's gonna be a little bit of stuff in the paint, but that's just kind of a crappy thing to happen. I expect little dust and crap in here, but you know, rear lip is fine. It looks amazing. The rest of the front lip looks amazing, but that's not good. So I gotta fix that now. Okay, so this is attempt number 2 at this front lip. So you remember it reacted down here. So I got the whole lip once it was dry. I wet sanded the whole thing just with some 400, and I gave it another coat of primer just because I, you know, sanded through right to the black polyurethane again. So just gave it another coat of primer. So we're gonna give this thing a few more coats of paint, and hopefully it's good this time. Okay, and there's the front lip all done. 3 coats again. Looks good. Turned out really good this time, so happy with that. Let that dry and we can throw that on. Okay, it's a little dirty right now, but I did get the front lip on. It did turn out really good this time. Nothing there anymore, so that's good. So that is the Mugen style. And then I got the Type R style. On that side, so on the back. So turned out really good. I like it. Definitely love this stuff a lot more color matched. I think it just looks better, blends it in more, makes it look more like part of the car. So I'm happy with that.